Hey everyone, welcome to Blessed and Beautiful. My name is Renee. I'm glad to see you all here today. I am doing some reorganization of my closet. That right there are just my dirty clothes that need to be washed. This is the stuff that I've put on the side of what I'm going to make the spring and kind of like cool night or cool day type side of my closet. And on the other side is going to be the summer stuff. All right. So if you're a visitor, come on in, have a seat. Come take a look at my closet. Got some stuff up there that I need to go through, especially that red bag. I don't even know what's in it. There's some makeup in that bag that I use for clients, but I haven't had any clients in a while. And that's hair. Lots of hair, y'all. And I don't even know what's in that last bin, the one that's all the way right there. I don't know. That box has stuff thrown in there. This is just stuff. But I do know that that bin right there is hair. That's hair right there. This is an empty box. This is, oh, these are the bags just stored there. Nothing's in them, but they're the ones that you can get from like Amazon or Temu, and you can store stuff in them. And I might have to pull those down today. Not sure. All right, so here is the side, that I'm gonna make my spring or cool night side. I'm preparing this closet for summer, the end of spring, beginning of summer. This side here is going to be short sleeve stuff. I do have some sweaters over here, and they're the ones that you wear, outerwear sweaters, like you wear it over something. It's not a sweater like a shirt. It's a cardigan type sweater or a light jacket. That's where those are over there. Okay, and then this section right here, short sleeves, dresses, rompers, stuff like that. Okay. I see two long sleeve items that are going to get moved. Don't worry. And then, okay, down here, shoes, all of them. Yeah, it's a mess, but that's where the shoes are. The boots are located somewhere else, but there is one pair of boots way in the back up under something. But yeah, I think I'm going to put those in the this pile here. This pile right here is my Goodwill pile. This is here, let's see, some old leggings, some old shirts, some old jeans, and it's not that I can't wear them, but I have stuff that's coming in now with Temu and that I get through Amazon because I am an Amazon Vine reviewer. So I get a lot of stuff from there, and this is stuff that I just haven't worn. So I'm gonna give this to Goodwill or a shelter. And there is a place near us where it's very easy to just put these into bins and they sort everything for you. So I may take it there. Here's some items that I'm keeping, but I'm trying to get my closet set up to put those. And then this is winter stuff that I'm definitely not going to wear until probably September. And so all of that is in this area right here. These are some t-shirts that I have that I just can't let them go. This is a little boy. He was in my class, probably about my, I don't know, year of teaching, and he died from a car accident, and his mom's family made a shirt. This is a shirt that I made with my children when they were younger, and we couldn't do camp that year. I didn't have enough money, and we did a whole bunch of stuff, arts and crafts and everything, and it was a nice summer, and I just don't want to let that shirt go. This is from my high school. This is from college. Y'all don't understand. This is the first Sigma Gamma Rho shirt I got when I was first entering my sorority, and yeah, the yellow came off, and yeah, I don't want to let it go, but it was my first shirt. Okay, this is from my dorm. Our dorm was Abby, and we called ourselves Abby Sci-Fi. And we were bomb. Yes, we were. And this is a very old Sigma Gamma Rho shirt as well, but I don't want to let them go. So they're the only things that I have that are like sentimental, literally. Oh no, and then my cheerleading outfit from high school, for some reason, I don't want to let it go. Y'all, these were some awesome uniforms. This uniform is almost 40 years old. It's probably like 35 years old now. It's still absolutely positively white. This string has been like this forever. It's never unraveled. Look at the skirt. The skirt is still white, not yellowed, white. And then this is these pants. These are the only thing out of this that's kind of yellowing just a little bit. We wore these under our skirts when it got cold. We were one of the first teams to do it, but we were like, I don't care, it's cold. So this stuff is going into the closet, and that will stay there until probably September. And then this is my bed. My bed is made, by the way. You can't tell because there's a ton of stuff on there, but my bed is made. So this is how I'm starting out my decluttering of clothing. I'm going to be decluttering some jewelry, makeup, just stuff, arts and crafts stuff that we don't use. I can give it to a school, a camp, somebody. We're not using it. So yeah, this time for this stuff to go. And I think once I finish all this, I will feel a little bit better because I promised myself I'm going to stop dragging this stuff around. Every time I move, I just pick it up and take it with me. So yeah, no, it's time for this stuff to go. So if you have any ideas you'd like to give me, you know, let me know. Let us lady know down in the bottom. If you are doing something very similar to this, let me know down in the comment section below. Do you see this dog? Look at him. Isn't he adorable? Aww. You smell Slaties? You do? Oh, he's so cute. Why are you blurry? There we go. And for those of you who are wondering about the next lip swatch, it's coming up next week, right? No, Wednesday. Wednesday, because all votes for round 2 should be in by now. Yes, if you haven't voted, go vote. Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I'm so glad to see you all, and I'm so glad that this hiatus from lip swatching is over. Our next lip swatch party will be later on today, and I'm hoping that I will be able to have that up and available to you all. We have 4 brands, two brands and 2 brands for it, so it'll be 2 videos, and I'm excited. So we're getting closer to our finale, and I have some ideas for the finale, so stay tuned for that. This little mini video was just like a last minute idea that I thought of for decluttering. So every year do you hear that's teen editor? He's home, y'all. Okay, so for my closet, every year, twice a year, I go through and I switch out everything from the spring and summer items to my fall and winter items. And I go through, I take out things that I no longer need or want, and I then pack up the items that I'm not using and organize the items that I'm keeping out for that season. And it keeps me kind of like the makeup, keeps things in rotation so I know what I have, what I need, and also it helps me to declutter some items. If I keep seeing the same top that I haven't worn who knows how long, it's time for me to let it go. And then if something comes up and I have to shop, it's not that guilty feeling of, oh yeah, I still got that, whatever the item is, and I don't really need to be out here shopping, because we all love to shop, so it's nothing wrong with that. But why keep shopping and putting it on top of stuff that you're not using? At least that's how I feel. So I feel a little bit better if I'm able to donate or gift some of the items that I'm no longer using. So if you all are decluttering at this time, whether it's decluttering, cleaning, um, if you're doing any like deep cleaning because it's spring, let us know what you're doing, how you do it, any tips or ideas that you have that others may want to pick up from all this ladies that's down in the comment section below. Let us all know what you all are doing, and does this come from what you did when you were younger? Is it something that you're doing now because you just can't stand to see clutter, or you love a nice smelling home, whatever it is. Some people just love to have those fragrances and they switch them out, spring fragrances and then summer. I used to be like that. So, let us know what you're doing for this time of spring cleaning. So I have a couple more videos to show you how I finished up my closet, and now I'm getting ready to do some decluttering of makeup and jewelry. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing a declutter of jewelry. I've never done that before as a video, so let me know if that's something that you would be interested in seeing. I definitely need to do it. I have way too much stuff, and there's so much stuff that I'm not using. There's the things that you keep because they're sentimental or they're worth, more. But, when you got a lot of stuff that you just realize you're not using, for me, that means it's time to declutter. So let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that. And of course, decluttering of makeup is coming up as well. All right, everyone. Don't forget that it is now round 3. Yes, for our lip swatching. Yay! All right, everyone. I will see you all very soon. Bye.